Roger, but just look out your mood, sir.
No, you want a number for the tower? Air Mexico 401.
No, thank you very much. I don't want it. I'm just telling you. You are saying to us to relax. You have to relax also.
I didn't say relax at all to you. Not a single time, Air Mexico 401. If you'd like a number for the tower, I can give you a number. You want a number to the tower?
No, thank you very much.
Okay, so don't key up and say relax to me, all right? And Java 2202, do you know where you're parking tonight? Is it T4 or T5?
It's T5. It's going to be a Fox Street.
Good.
Tower Cafe 843 Heavy, just confirming that's up Echo to the holding point 22 right?
Charlie and Echo, yes.
Charlie Echo, thanks. Cat 843.
Air Mexico 401, cross runway 31 right at Echo. Follow the 777 ANA on Charlie.
Okay, cross runway 13 right on Echo and follow the heavy on Charlie Air Mexico 401.
It's not 13 right, it's 31 right or 13 left.
You say 13 right, it's 13 left, okay.
No, you said 13 right. I said cross 31 right, Air Mexico 401.
Okay, 31 right or 13 left, Air Mexico 401.
Cebu 2202, cross runway 22 right at Hotel, right on Bravo to the ramp with me.
Clear to cross T2 right, Hotel right, Bravo, safety 2202.
Cat 83296 heavy, cross 22 right, straight on Alpha to your ramp with me.
Thank you, cross 22 right, Juliet, straight on Alpha with you, Cat 83296 Heavy.
Copa 807, are you ready for your clearance?
Go ahead, Copa 807.
Yes, please pay attention because if you don't get it, then it's going to be a while until I get back to you, all right? You're clear to Mike Papa Tango Oscar Airport via the Kennedy 5 departure. Gateway climb. Radar vectors Robbinsville. That's Romeo, Bravo, Victor. To join Q as in Quebec, 430. Direct Charlie, Oscar, Papa, Echo, Sierra. To join Q as in Quebec, 75. Direct Golf, Sierra, Oscar, then as filed. Climb maintain 5,000. Departure frequency 125.7 and squawk 1137. Stand by for your readback. Cathay 843 heavy, caution turbulence, wind 240 at 5, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Good, takeoff runway 22 right, Cathay 843 Heavy.
Air Mexico 401, switch to and monitor 119.1.
119.1, Air Mexico 401.
And Copa 807, you can go ahead with your readback.
Okay, we're clear for Mike Papa Tango Oscar via Kennedy 5 departure, gateway climb, direct Robbinsville, Romeo Bravo Victor, Quebec 430 Cope, Quebec 75, Gordon Golf, Sierra Oscar, then as file, climb maintain 5,000, departure frequency 125.7, and squawk code 1137.
Almost. It's not direct Robbinsville. It's radar vectors Robbinsville. Copa 807, return to this frequency when you're ready to taxi.
Copa 807.
You understand it's not direct. It's radar vectors Robbinsville, right?
Radar vectors to Robbinsville.
All right, good.
JFK ground, Delta maintenance 661.
Delta maintenance, switch to 119.1. Make your request there.
JFK ground, Delta maintenance 661.
Delta maintenance 661, Kennedy Tower. If you're at Quebec over there, you could proceed on to runway 13 right at Papa Foxtrot, and Papa Foxtrot between Papa Alpha is yours.
Copy that. Proceed right to Quebec. Papa, can you repeat that?
Papa Foxtrot and Papa Foxtrot between Papa Alpha on 13 right is approved.
Proceed Papa Foxtrot between Papa Alpha. Delta maintenance 661.
Kennedy ground, good morning, Southern Chicago 2546, parking building 77.
Okay, California 258.
Yes.
We set CP leadership logo for the clearance, but no reply. Request ATC clearance by voice.
Say again, please. Southern Cargo 2546 Heavy.
Southern Cargo, it's not for you. I have all the frequencies combined, so everybody just relax, okay? Korean that's calling, you're calling early, like every night. I have nothing for you, no flight plan.
Roger, Korean 258.
On Nippon 159 Heavy, caution wake turbulence, wind 240 runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff on Nippon 159 Heavy.
Southern Cargo 2546 Heavy, switch to 119.1, and you need to say what taxiway you're exiting out of, and if you have the information, not just your call sign.
Information Foxtrot received Southern Cargo 2546 Heavy.
19-1.
Kennedy Tower, good morning. Southern Cargo 2546 Heavy, parking building 77 with information Foxtrot. Ready for pushback and startup.
Southern Cargo, push and start your discretion. It's a non-movement area. You don't have to call for that.
Okay, roger. On discretion, Southern Cargo 2546 Heavy.
JFK ground, Delta maintenance 661.
Delta maintenance, Kennedy Tower.
661 here on Quebec, holy start of Quebec 1. Requesting instructions to a taxi to 13 right, between Papa Alpha and Papa Charlie.
Yep, I already gave you those instructions like 3 times. Turn right at Papa Foxtrot, enter runway 13 right, and you could use 13 right from Papa Fox to Papa Alpha.
Copy that. Papa Fox to 13 right, continue to Papa Alpha, Delta maintenance 661.
Air Mexico 401, wind 230 at 7, caution wake turbulence, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
And we'll wait 1 minute just for caution and I'll make call 401.
Okay, Air Mexico 401, cancel your instructions, hold short of 22 right. For future reference, you have to let me know before you get to the runway, okay? We only use 5 miles, and the aircraft is already 5 miles away, and the runway's 2 miles long. That's 7 miles.
Hello, sir. This is the captain of the Air Mexico. I think you are the one that has to relax because you are with a very bad mood with everybody. And we're going to wait 2 more minutes because it's a heavy. I don't care if it's 5 miles or something. We're going to wait 2 more minutes.
Air Mexico 401, that is your prerogative, but you have to let the ground controller know, in that case me, before you're at the runway, okay?
Roger, but just look out your mood, sir.
No, you want a number for the tower? Air Mexico 401.
No, thank you very much. I don't want it. I'm just telling you. You are saying to us to relax. You have to relax also.
I didn't say relax at all to you. Not a single time, Air Mexico 401. If you'd like a number for the tower, I can give you a number. You want a number to the tower?
No, thank you very much.
Okay, so don't key up and say relax to me, all right?
Okay.
We're ready for takeoff at Mexico 401.
Mexico 401, stand by.
Standing by, 401.
Korean 258 Heavy.
Yes?
Do you have a flight plan?
No, nothing yet.
All right.
Air Mexico 401, wind 230 at 6, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 22 right, at Mexico 401.